On this video, I'm going to show you how to make a whole food plant-based, oil-free, low-fat vanilla custard sauce. It's super delicious. Oh my goodness, it's so yummy. And I'm also going to make them into delicious Bionicos or a delicious fancy parfait. Let's get started. I'm going to start by cutting up my fruit, any fruit that I want. You can use melon, berries, watermelon, any type of fruit that you like. Today I want to use just strawberries. They're in season and they're so delicious. Next step is our custard sauce. Let me show you how to make this delicious, unique, one-of-a-kind custard sauce. Into a blender, we're going to add 2 cups of white sweet potato. I baked this in the oven at 350 degrees till it was tender. Then I'm going to add 1 cup of soy milk. I also added vanilla powder and 2 tablespoons of a sweetener of my choice. Now we put it together. You can make them into a fancy parfait for celebrations or something fancy. Or you can add it into a family-sized bowl and serve it up as a big fruit salad. And there you have it, friends, an amazing custard sauce and an amazing Bionico recipe, also parfait recipe. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.